Hi, you're watching Zoom. This is Nirali in conversation with an actress who has worked across mediums, be it TV, OTT, and films. Right now, she's coming up with a film called Hello Knock Knock Kone, welcoming Barkha Beast for an exclusive conversation on Zoom. Firstly, thank you so much for taking your time out, and despite the fact that you are unwell, you are doing this call. But I want to know, when you offered this film, what was the one thing that sort of excited you and made you say, "मुझे film करनी ही है"?
I think the first thing that excited me was the suspense in the whole film. It is एक पूरे एक दिन की कहानी है, सुबह से लेकर रात तक जो होता है, एक लोकेशन की कहानी है और 4-5 कैरेक्टर्स की कहानी है. सो आई थॉट वो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है कि उसी एक घर में जो अपेरेंटली मेरा घर है, लोग आते हैं जाते हैं, क्या इक्वेशंस होते हैं, कौन अच्छा है कौन बुरा है, ये जो सब आई थिंक इतनी कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी सी है, मुझे बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगी. सो या
And the character that you play is sort of different from the ones that you have played in the past. How does your character sort of bring about a change in the storyline, and what is the one thing that you could relate to your character in the film?
I think one thing I can relate to is कि ये character बहुत vulnerable है, which I am also in real life. I think I'm very vulnerable. But इसके अलावा I can't disclose much about the character because all the characters have shades. तो I can't tell you कि मेरा क्या shade है. Positive है, negative है, grey है, अच्छा बुरा. I can't really say. But interesting है definitely. But जैसा trailer में देखा, it's a very vulnerable character. एक sweet सी लड़की है, थोड़ी डरी हुई सहमी सी लड़की. That is the thing. But actually होता क्या है?
That's for audiences to watch. But also, suspense thriller is a genre that people are sort of, they like watching. There's a curiosity factor which is there. What was the one factor that you also liked about this film, the suspense element? Do you feel there were certain challenges that you had to go through while working on this particular genre?
So challenges तो नहीं, I think because I think जब आपकी टीम बहुत sorted होती है ना, including your actors and the captain of the ship who's your director, अगर आपकी टीम sorted हो तो challenges as such नहीं होते. मुझे actually कोई challenges face नहीं करने पड़े while doing the film. But I think we had to work on keeping the mystery. कहीं पर ये reveal नहीं होने देना था कि यार मेरा character actually जो मैं दिखा रही हूँ वो नहीं हूँ, या जो हूँ वो actually हूँ. It was like वो थोड़ा मुश्किल था कि आपको कैरेक्टर ऐसा कि मिस्ट्री रखनी थी, विच गेट्स डिफिकल्ट, क्योंकि आप नॉर्मली आप एक कैरेक्टर आपको देते हैं, बोले ये आपका कैरेक्टर, इट्स ईजी टू डू दैट. बट टू प्ले अ कैरेक्टर कि पता ही नहीं है कि ये कैरेक्टर है क्या, वो बहुत मुश्किल होता है. बिकॉज समटाइम्स यू टेंड टू टिप ओवर, देन द डायरेक्टर वुड से कि नहीं इससे तो पता चल जा रहा है. सो या.
But another interesting aspect about this film is the star cast, right? It's like a talented star cast. We have Sonali ma'am, Zarina ma'am, Abhijit sir, and Daya sir, and of course Lilliput sir as well. I want to know, when you work with such a talented ensemble star cast, what are the things that you kind of imbibe from them, because they all come from different backgrounds and they have been, like, say, the maestros of their respective fields, right?
आई थिंक आप किसी भी प्रोजेक्ट में काम करो ना, वॉट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट इज़ कि लोग कैसे हैं. इट डजेंट मैटर वो कितने बड़े स्टार्स हैं या न्यू कमर्स हैं, इट मैटर्स कि वो लोग कैसे हैं. एंड आई थिंक आई वॉज रियली लकी दैट डिस्पाइट वर्किंग विद सच माइस्ट्रोज ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री, मुझे लोग बहुत अच्छे मिले. सो द ओनली थिंग आई टेक फ्रॉम दिस इज़ कि आप चाहे जितने भी बड़े हो जाओ, always stay humble, always stay grounded, and I think that is the thing that earns you respect, nothing else. So yeah.
But also, looking at the journey that you have had, like I mentioned, you have worked across mediums, right? But if I have to ask you now, like, when you look at your journey in a hindsight, which is that one particular project that you feel was a career risk that you took, but it sort of paid in your favor eventually?
Kya ऐसे तो I think very difficult to say. I think I have done some wonderful TV shows, and I till today say that I am extremely grateful to TV for where I am today. मतलब आज जो भी मेरे पास है, it's because of television. I have done some wonderful shows. Namkaran being one of them, which was with Mahesh Bhatt sir. I have worked on Ram Leela with Sanjay Leela Bhansali sir. Small parts, but वो किया है. I have worked on Hunter with Anna and Jackie Dada. So I have actually got to work with some really good people, good actors, big actors, and I think वो एक मेरा experience, मेरी पूरी journey का ये experience रहेगा कि Yeah, I'm working with Smriti Irani right. So it's like, wow, it's like literally my mom is saying कि बेटा ये भी तुमने कर दिया, मतलब स्मृति ईरानी के साथ भी काम कर लिया अभी माता होगी. It's like ये भी तुमने कर लिया, कुछ अच्छा ही किया होगा लाइफ में. It's that. So I feel that it's been a good journey. I have no complaints.
But the conversation would be incomplete without asking you about क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी क्यों. When you heard the fact that the show is returning after 25 years, an iconic show that had topped the charts on TRPs वो time पे अलग ही थी. What was your reaction and the fact that you were offered a very pivotal character in the show?
My reaction was yes, absolutely yes. 25 साल के बाद क्योंकि वापस आया है, स्मृति जी वापस आई हैं, स्मृति और अमर का पेयर वापस आया है. I definitely had to be a part of this. And I'm very grateful to Ekta for giving me such an important character क्योंकि के बाकी जो family या बाकी characters हैं वो इतने established हैं already because of the first season. So they are very established and they are very popular. मैं एक नई आई हूँ इस show में, but she has given me a very powerful character and I'm very grateful for that.
And your character, like you said, it's powerful, but it's quite a layered character, right?
Yeah, it's not negative.
It's not negative, it's layered.
Yeah, it's
Actually, so great.
I feel I'm quite nice.
Why your character has like deep one-sided feelings for me? She also respects the.
I respect to see in the marriage. Yeah, right.
I want to know, does that get difficult, sort of portray those complex emotions while you're performing your scenes?
Oh, no, does it get complex? See, I'm a very firm believer of marriage and the institution of marriage, and I feel that no one should mess with that. So yes, it does get a little personal sometimes when I play a character like that, but it's okay. We're actors and we have to do everything. So yeah.
But like you mentioned, television has been an integral part of your journey. Have you personally, Barkha, seen a significant change in the way roles are being written for women? Last, say, a decade, like 10 years.
No, the roles are definitely changed. I think from the bichari, bahu jo hota tha, because I have done a lot of shows in which मैं बहुत बिचारी थी, to now where characters are standing up, where the women are standing up. Like even if you see on Kyunki, Tulsi ka character stands up for everything, चाहे the husband agrees to it or not, to say, और वो बहुत अच्छे से respectfully करती है, right? So I think to be able to show that कि एक औरत भी अपना stand रख सकती है और उसको हक है अपना stand रखने का, वो जो एक थोड़ा change आया television में, I think that's great. The power of women, I think, is shown in a more positive way. So.
But also, from an industry perspective, there have been recent conversations where actresses have been demanding like less work shifts, especially after embracing motherhood, to maintain like a proper balance between motherhood and career. What's your take on it? Because you're a mother yourself, and what sort of challenges did you face on a career perspective after you became a mother?
See, I will say that it's a very personal choice of every woman whether she wants to work after having the baby. I mean, how soon she wants to start working and for how long she wants. It's a very personal choice. I had started working, I think, when my daughter was 1.5 years old, right? And I was doing television. So I was shooting 20 days a month, 12 hours a day. But I was doing it. I went through a lot of mother's guilt.
Yeah.
And I tried to make up for it in the best way possible. But I also understood that as a producer, if you're casting somebody, you want the full potential of that person, right? Having said that, I think कई बार आप ऐसी पोजीशन में होते हैं या आपकी ऐसी स्टैंडिंग होती है इंडस्ट्री में कि इट्स ओके टू पुट योर फुट डाउन, क्योंकि आपने पहले बहुत मेहनत की है लाइफ में. लाइक मैंने बहुत मेहनत की है 20 साल. टुडे आई एम इन अ पोजीशन जहाँ आई पुट माई फुट डाउन ऑन सर्टन थिंग्स एंड से कि अच्छा आज मैं इतना ही काम करूँगी, या आज मुझे छुट्टी चाहिए, आज मुझे घर जाना है, एंड प्लीज़ फिगर इट आउट. सो आई थिंक आपकी एक पोजीशन जब हो जाती है, वो पोजीशन इससे नहीं कि मैं सक्सेसफुल एक्टर हूँ, बट इससे आती है कि यार बहुत साल दिए हैं इस इंडस्ट्री को. एंड टुडे व्हेन आई हैव टेकन इन मदरहुड, इतना तो सपोर्ट इंडस्ट्री से मिलना ही चाहिए, बिकॉज आई डिड एवरीथिंग व्हाइल आई वाज सिंगल, और इवन आफ्टर आई गॉट मैरिड आई डिड. बट जब मैं मदर बनी, इतना सपोर्ट तो इंडस्ट्री दे ही सकती है.
I think the industry needs to be little more empathetic towards the female.
Yeah.
But also, TV as an industry in the last few years, we have seen that there's a shift in the way, how shows are going out there, right? TRPs people are chasing TRPs. Makers want कि, अगर show on air जा रहा है तो अच्छी TRPs मिले. in that sort of a race, TV shows are going off air. मतलब in the recent past there have been shows where कि 3-4 महीने हुए नहीं and the shows have gone off air. That sort of uncertainty kind of also affects your commitment to a show or no?
Definitely does. I think पहले हम जब शो साइन करते थे पता था कि 2 साल तो चलेगा ही, so then you knew you were sorted. अभी there is no guarantee. Like you said, 2-3 महीने में shows जा रहे हैं. But I think I do feel that platforms are becoming less tolerant and less patient. They want results really fast. कि immediately इतनी TRP हो, immediately ये हो. ऐसा नहीं होता है, because any content you make, it's a creative field. It's not a numbers game. It's a creative field. आप उसको numbers game बना रहे हैं, and thus you are brutally axing off shows saying not working, हटा दो, not working, हटा दो. आपने अप्रूव किया था वो शो एक कॉन्सेप्ट को लेकर बिकॉज यू बिलीव्ड इन दैट. अब आप कह रहे हैं कि हटा दो. सो आई थिंक दैट्स अ लिटिल अनफेयर टू प्रोड्यूसर्स ऑल्सो एंड टू एक्टर्स ऑल्सो. बट ऐसा है, अभी क्या कर सकते हैं.
But on a parting note, since we talked about number games and all, today casting also has significantly changed. Casting directors today look at say a celebrity's particular number of followers on Instagram. And
Oh my God, don't even get me started on that. I think that is the stupidest thing that has happened.
Metric or not?
It is the stupidest thing that has happened. Number of followers do not determine whether you can act or not. And there have been enough cases where people have tried to make those people act and said कि नहीं यार, नहीं होता है. कुछ लोग कर भी पाते हैं, but numbers की वजह से नहीं, क्योंकि वो अच्छे actors हैं. I think that's the stupidest thing that has happened. You cannot, आप एक्टर्स को नीचा दिखा रहे हैं करके कि भाई इसके इतने फॉलोअर्स हैं, इसको ले लो. It's really unfair. I just don't agree with that at all.
Yeah, but finally, how do you sort of stay sane when there are people having comments because you play a certain character like Noina and Yuki. It has gray shades, right? When people pass comments on your character, does it sort of affect you or somewhere? No?
लोग comments pass कर रहे हैं, कुछ बुरे comments भी pass कर रहे हैं. That means I'm doing my job well. लोग comment कर रहे हैं because they are watching and they are observing and they are either liking my work or not liking what the character is doing. I don't think anybody is saying कि Barkha is not doing a good job. They are just saying कि Noina ये कर रही है. So I think that's a win for a character. कि people are talking about the character, that's a win for me.
That's great, but thank you so much, for doing this conversation. I wish you luck for the film. Thank you, releases too. And I hope people continue to give you love for the character that you're playing in Yuki as well. And we hope to see you in more and more films, web shows or TV shows. Thank you so much.
Thank you.